Okay, trader. So XAUUSD with the market open, we can see that there is a breakdown. Now, is this a pullback or reversal? Let's try to understand from the multi-time frame perspective. We'll be first looking at higher time frame to see overall picture, and then we'll jump on to this lower time frame to see potential entry opportunity in this market. Looking at the monthly chart with this highest time frame, we can see that from the monthly, this is a long-term bull market. We have discussed in quite a few analysis. Now let's see with the changed market condition what XAUUSD might be doing. Starting from here, we can see there is a massive breakout followed by this pullback. And we have seen that with this narrow pullback, as it is in a strong bullish trend, we have seen another monthly impulse. In the second impulse, this is the current monthly candle. We have seen that there was a drop here, and at the end of the month again we have seen that bounce. Now first of all, let's look at the Fibonacci perspective for the second wave on XAUUSD. We can see that exactly from 50% Fibonacci level the market managed to break out, and with that breakout we have seen the price almost reach that monthly resistance, and then we have seen sudden breakdown early today on the lower time frame. So let's see now weekly perspective what kind of opportunity we might have. Now previous weekly candle has, if we look at the low and high in both sides, there is no wick, so which is can be a false breakout to the upside, as this kind of candles more often use as a fake out candle. If this is the fake out, then the market from this resistance, we can see that with market open, as soon as the price has crossed that level from the weekly, it has got a rejection. So that could lead that price potentially back to the support level, which is one probability to happen, which is the weekly support here. And now let's see from the daily chart how the market might be doing. Now this is the daily head and shoulder that we discussed in the past as well. In this daily uptrending market, we saw a head and shoulder formation and complete breakout from that head and shoulder. We have seen the neckline retest, break below the support, and from that zone there is one immediate breakout to the upside. And after crossing of this neckline of the previous retest, we can see the market has got a rejection. Now if we look at the movement of this daily impulse, we can see that there was a complete green move to the upside, hit that important liquidity zone, which is a one sign that this might be a fake out to the upside, and that might lead XAUUSD to drop back again to the support level. So there is one probability to drop, and also we can see that it is forming kind of another inverted head and shoulder in this area. Now if this is an inverted head and shoulder, then we might see another bounce to the upside. So which one is going to play out? So let's see now the lower time frame price action to understand what might be happening. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. We have seen there is a bounce and today's fake out and then complete breakdown. In this time frame we can see the market with a strong drop has broken below the 20 EMA and now trying to form a pullback candle. Now this current 4-hour candle is absolutely important, because if the market, if this is a fake drop, then we could see the next one to immediately bounce back up and go up to create a new higher high. Now if this current 4-hour candle cannot cross this entire body, we might see further drop. In that case, if we look at the 15 minutes perspective to see where the price might be heading, now we can see that there's a huge order block here where the market has reversed during this time period. Now what I think that if this market drop further to the downside, as 15 minutes perspective, we can see a head and shoulder formation here, which is a potential reversal in that area. And if we look at the neckline of this 15 minutes head and shoulder, we can see that XAUUSD managed to break from that 15 minutes head and shoulder. Now the most important part, that what I think that is, this is the important resistance line here. As you can see, the market managed to completely break below, and if the market retesting this level and getting rejection like long week candles, we might see that XAUUSD is breaking below, and in that case we might see potentially a retest of the order block. Now the bias is still to the downside, as we can see that there was a massive uptrend. The market reversed and it may not easily to go back up again, as we have seen that there is a complete a bounce to the upside with a stronger momentum. So as soon as we will see the price has got enough rejection from this level, we'll look for the second trade on XAUUSD. In that case, we'll be targeting to the order block as soon as we will find suitable entry confirmation according to our strategies. Traders, I believe that you enjoyed this free education and analysis. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up. For more update and education, make sure also you subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.